ask you, said you were in an insurance field, so you also used to talk to people, right? Talk to clients. You need clients when if you want to do something.
Hmm.
So what you want to say to people who have this kind of thoughts that we need people to join the business, then only it will work? Like any business need customers, but
Yeah.
they don't understand that thing. They take it other way. So I want to know from you, because you are in the insurance field, which is like similar. You need to go to people, ask them. So what you want to tell about it?
So I will say that's the most important feature which attracted me, because
Yeah.
in insurance I had to reach out to some like cold calling, some
Yeah.
other ways to reach out to people so that we can expand our business. But
Right.
here in this business, which I like the most, is we are not going to approach anyone, ask anybody to join us, or
Right.
ask our relatives, friends, anybody. We just have to do follow our process, then it all happens. So that's what I like the most. Yes.
Yes, a couple of days ago, only someone asked me, so do we need to do this? We need to ask people to come. We need more client to grow. So I told them, no, like we are here to just provide the service like any other business. We are providing service. Like if you take example of Apple, right? They are providing service. They are just advertising. We are getting attracted towards it and going and buying their phones and iPads and all, right? So the same thing is here in this business. We are providing a service. We are providing a business platform to you where you will get everything at one place. You don't need to go anywhere, like training, mentorship, technical infrastructure, affiliates, everything you are getting at one place. You don't need to go anywhere. So that is what we are providing, and that is what we are advertising. If
Yeah.
somebody is in need, they will come and they will ask questions, they will inquire, and they will join. We are not going into anybody and begging them and asking them to join us.
Yeah.
Right?
We are just educating people about this
Right.
amazing opportunity. Then
Because
that's up to
as
you.
you
If they
said,
want to change their life, they have
right,
to come and take action. So, good features. I think
most,
other
yeah,
businesses, something we have to put, we have to go, we have to send emails or cold calling,
right,
whatever. We have to reach out to people. But here we don't do. We just talk about our business benefits, and
yeah,
people
like,
who are interested, they will come to us.
yeah, most of the work is done by like automation. So we have to do just our part, which is advertising and then providing the information. That's it.